Hi friends, welcome to Parallel People YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a small fish trap.
This is a simple setup to catch small fishes alive.
For that we just need a waste plastic bottle. We just need its top portion. It is used as an entrance for the fish. Because the whole idea is this entrance portion must be wide in these openings and must be narrow in the exit. And we just need a big container. We need to make the hole in this big container and in the size of that small opening we created. Then we need to insert that small opening inside this big container. The whole idea is that when the fish enter through this big hole and exit through the small hole, it will get trapped in the big container. It's difficult to find the exit way for the fish. So we can catch a large amount of small sized fish in less time. It's way more easier than fishing with a hook, and we can also get these fishes alive. So to start we need to put some food grains or something like that inside it to attract the fishes, and then just gently put this container inside water and observe.
The moment these fishes enter the container, just pull it out. And there you are. You'll get these fishes alive. But right now I don't need these fishes for any purpose, so I just leaving these fishes back to the river. Okay guys, this is how you catch these fishes alive. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video.